Did you know that people who practice manifestation are 41% more likely to achieve their goals? That's right, 41%. Imagine if you could increase your chances of success by almost half, just by changing how you think and act. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you how manifestation can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and make 2024 your best year yet? But what exactly is manifestation? Simply put, it's the practice of turning your dreams into reality through the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It's like having a superpower that helps you create the life you've always wanted. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to go on a wild ride into the world of manifestation. Limiting beliefs have proven to be a major setback when it comes to manifesting desires. If you want to dive deeper into manifestation, get rid of limiting beliefs, and maintain your positive affirmations, get your free guide down in the link below. Now, before we get too excited, let's address the elephant in the room. There are a ton of misconceptions about manifestation out there. And if we don't clear these up, you might end up frustrated and thinking this whole manifestation thing is a load of baloney. First up, the big one. Manifestation is just wishful thinking. Nope. If you think you can sit on your couch all day, dream about a fancy car, and have it magically appear in your driveway, I've got news for you. That's not how it works. Another popular myth: manifestation is some kind of secret superpower that only special people have. Wrong again. Anyone can do it. You don't need to be psychic or have a third eye or anything like that. Oh, and here's a fun one. If you manifest something and it doesn't happen right away, you're doing it wrong. Slow down there. Manifestation isn't a microwave. You can't just zap your dreams into existence in 30 seconds. Last but not least, the idea that manifestation is all about getting stuff. Sure, manifesting material things is cool, but it's so much more than that. It's about creating a fulfilling life, achieving your goals, and becoming the best version of yourself. So if manifestation isn't just sitting around daydreaming, or having magical powers, or instant wish granting, or just about getting stuff, what is it? Well, that's what we're about to find out. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of manifestation. There are a few key principles you need to know to make this work. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. In fact, it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. First up, clarity. You gotta know what you want. And I mean really know. None of this, "I want to be rich" vagueness. Get specific. How much money do you want to make? By when? How will you make it? The clearer your goal, the easier it is to manifest. Next, we've got mindset. This is huge, folks. You need to believe that what you want is possible. If you're constantly thinking, "This will never happen," guess what? It probably won't. Your thoughts are powerful, so make them work for you, not against you. But here's where a lot of people get stuck. They think positive thinking is enough. Spoiler alert, it's not. You gotta take action too. If you want that dream job, you can't just imagine yourself in the corner office. You need to update your resume, network, and actually apply for positions. Manifestation is about aligning your thoughts and actions with your goals. Consistency is key. You can't just do this once and expect miracles. It's like working out. You don't get fit by going to the gym once, right? Same with manifestation. It's a daily practice. And let's not forget about gratitude. Being thankful for what you already have opens you up to receiving more. It's like telling the universe, "Hey, I appreciate what you've given me. I'm ready for more." Plus, it just makes you feel good. Lastly, patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your dreams won't manifest overnight. Trust the process. Keep doing the work, and the results will come. Now, are you ready for a manifestation technique that'll knock your socks off? I call it the 5 cents vision board. It's like a regular vision board, but on steroids. Here's how it works. 1. Grab a big piece of cardboard or poster board. This is your canvas. 2. Now, think about your big goal. Let's say you want to start your own business. 3. Find images that represent your goal. But here's the twist. You need images for all 5 senses. What will you see when you achieve your goal? Maybe a picture of a bustling office or a grand opening sign. What will you hear? Cut out words like congratulations or you're hired. What will you smell? Maybe a picture of fresh coffee in your new office. What will you taste? How about an image of a celebration dinner? What will you feel? Cut out words like proud, excited, or accomplished. 4. Arrange these images and words on your board. Make it colorful and exciting. 5. Now, here's the most important part. Spend 5 to 10 minutes every day sitting in front of your board. But don't just look at it. Imagine you're living it. See yourself in that bustling office. Hear the congratulations and the sound of your successful business. Smell that fresh office coffee. Taste that celebration dinner. Feel those emotions of pride and accomplishment. The more real you can make it feel, the more powerful it becomes. But remember, this isn't just arts and crafts. Use this board to motivate you to take real steps towards your goal. Maybe that's writing a business plan, saving money for startup costs, or networking with other entrepreneurs. This technique works because it engages all your senses and emotions. It makes your goal feel real and achievable. And when you feel it's achievable, you're more likely to take the actions needed to make it happen. So there you have it, folks. Manifestation isn't some magical hocus pocus. It's a powerful tool that combines clear goals, positive thinking, consistent action, gratitude, and patience. And with techniques like the 5-sense vision board, you can make your dreams feel more real and achievable than ever. Remember, manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for good things to happen. It's about actively creating the life you want. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals. And most importantly, it's about believing in yourself and your ability to achieve great things. So whether you want to start a business, find your dream job, improve your relationships, or achieve any other goal, manifestation can help you get there. It's not always easy, and it might not happen overnight. But with persistence and the right techniques, you can make amazing things happen in your life. Now it's your turn. What do you want to manifest in 2024? Drop it in the comments below. Let's create a community of manifestors supporting each other. Maybe you want to start a business or travel the world, or find your soulmate. Whatever it is, share it with us. Who knows? You might find an accountability partner or get some great advice from fellow manifestors. And hey, if you want to dive even deeper into personal growth and manifestation, check out my video on how to use God-given power to manifest your dream life by Dr. Ernest Holmes. The link is in the description. Trust me, it's a game changer. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and that notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, we're in this together. Let's make 2024 the year our dreams come true. Until next time, keep believing, keep taking action, and keep manifesting those dreams. You've got this.